Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is part 5 of my hair care routine, so we're just going to jump right into it. So part 4, I went ahead and showed you guys my shampoo and conditioning routine. So now I'm going to be showing you guys my blow drying routine. So right now I'm prepping my hair to go back into another protective style. So my hair is about 50% dry, and I'm going to be working in sections. So the first section that I'm going to start with is the back section, and the first thing I'm going to apply to my hair is the Crayola Lily Aloe Hibiscus Curl Refresher, and I'm using this curl refresher to add moisture into my hair and to also help strengthen my hair. So this curl refresher contains aloe vera, hibiscus, glycerin, and it also contains rose water. Normally I like to take a break in between protective styling, but I'm just not in the mood to deal with my hair, so I'm about to just put in another protective style, and then after that I'll take my break. And normally I take like a month or longer in between my breaks depending on the hairstyle. So I'm going to apply my heat protectant, which is the Tresemme Heat Tamer Leave-In Spray. After I applied both products to my hair, I'm going to go in with my Revlon One Step Hair Blow Dryer. I've used this blow dryer on my channel several times. I really love this blow dryer. So the first thing I'm going to do is do the tension method. It helps to stretch out my hair before applying like direct heat to my hair. So I like to stretch it out as much as possible, so that way I don't have to use too many brush strokes with the blow dryer. So I'm just going to continue to do these same steps over and over again until my hair is complete.
What we do here is go back.
So I'm done blow drying my hair, and I'm just going to show you guys what my hair looks like blow dried. And then also towards the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how much shed hair I had in the brush. I remember in my last blow dried video, somebody had asked to see that. So I'll insert that clip at the end of this video. But yes, this is the end of part 5. I will have part 6 coming soon. I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair. And yeah, so if you made it this far to the video, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.